It's pre-practice. It's a Ghetto Jabbawockeez show. This is our Jabberwocky Ghetto show, right before Puppetmaster. Not bad. It's our big giant, our evil guy right here, Puppetmaster. It's our man Jeffrey, right over here, trying to get everything perfect.
Yeah, on the side. Now you guys are gonna fall first.
I don't know what you said. Not late reaction. That's Chelsea and some chick. So Tessia, what do you think of this show?
Okay.
It's okay? Nothing special about it? Interesting. There's one of the Ghetto Jabbawockeez. Some chick.
That is Jennifer, don't be rude.
I'm very nice to you.
Hey.
Alright, so that's it. That's part one.
Okay.